Hi guys, welcome to the world of smart gadgets on air. There are lots of gadgets around the world. Today's human life is really very fast and quick. Gadgets help out to move fast and save a lots of time in the fast world. We save our lots of time because gadgets help out to save our time. In this video, there are many gadgets like kitchen gadgets, washroom gadgets, car gadgets, home decor gadgets, home decor gadgets, beauty gadgets, and many more. So kindly subscribe my YouTube channel to know about the gadgets and gadgets make our life so easy, fast and quick. Especially housewives get relaxed because there are lots of work in the home and gadgets save lots of time. The housewives and gadgets make life easy and quick. In this video, you enjoy many more gadgets. So enjoy the video and watch complete video, and in the end you will find what gadget you look so pretty and comment in the inbox. So thanks for watching. Kindly in the last to press the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.